welcome back, and it's almost that time of the year again, Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to show us a very simple makeup routine that would, keep us dazzling. I already fixed my ponytail behind the camera. I prepped my face already. So guys, I'm going to be mixing my Maybelline and my Flawless Ivy foundation. It's moist already. I'm going to be mixing Zaron and LA Girl. So this is how I do my brows here. I just start from here to trace. I just trace it. I'll be using this black pepper. Eyeshadow, eye makeup. This is my go-to palette. I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you will know this is the palette I've been using most of the time. It has so many beautiful colors, so I always run to it. It covers every kind of makeup I want to do. So now we are going to fix our lashes, and I'm going to do that off camera. I did not know these lashes were like this full, but it turned out beautiful. And this lash is for my brown only lashes. Forget, lining your lips is one thing you want to do very well. I'm going to be using this lipstick by Avon. Guys, seriously, you're really good to go like this lips, but you know me, I'm always going to make something. So I'm going to be using this lipstick by Zaron in Bare Faced. So we are ready for our Valentine's date. And this look is a very simple, natural, nude look. What do you think? Isn't nice? Would you rock this look?